Anything that you're selling, that we sell as e-commerce entrepreneurs, anything that you're selling, this format is really, really good, okay? So I'll just play it. I'll make sure I don't have the sound on. I'll play it for you. And as we're playing it, I'll tell you what's going on. So I was tired of putting my stuff on the floor. First thing to notice is the actual text is loud and proud on the video. Most people, you know, they ain't watching videos with the sound on, they watch it without the sound on. Anyway, so really important to make sure you've got the text on screen as well so people can follow along even if they don't have the sound on. Anyway, so I was tired of putting my stuff on the floor. So that's the problem. I was tired of putting my stuff on the floor. Introduce the problem, okay? It's a problem that if you go to the gym, a lot of people have. They have their phone in some way around, and they've got their keys, they've got their wallet, they've got their purse, they've got things with them, okay? Their water bottle, all these things that you take to the gym. But what do you do with them when you're working out? Well, you put them on the floor and they get dirty and they get dusty, blah, blah, blah. Problem. That's introduce the problem, the very, very first thing that he did. So now introduce a solution. So I invented Mag Bag. Good name. Magnetic bag, Mag Bag. Really good name. There's a lot to be said for having a name that's lovely to say, that's really, really nice to say. I remember a long, long time ago, holy shit, this is going back some time, there was a dude called Eben Pagan who invented a dating website, dating tips for men website, how to get laid for men, called Double Your Dating, DYD, Double Your Dating. And it's a really nice thing to say. And I spoke with Eben. His name, his nom de plume for that was David D'Angelo. David D'Angelo, which is, again, a really nice thing to say. Okay, David D'Angelo, Double Your Dating. It all flows off the tongue. Anyway, so I spoke with Eben, and Eben said that that was one of the most important elements of that business, was that they had this name that was really memorable, easy to say, and kind of had the big idea, benefit idea embedded in the name. Double Your Dating, okay? Magnetic bag, okay? Really important. Names of products are super important. Great book on that. Where is it? Is, if I can find it, Alex Hormozo, which is 100 Million Idea. Oh, there it is. This is a really good, that's a really great book to get. It's pretty expensive. I think it charges $55 for it US, but it's a really great book all about naming protocols. Great book. Anyway. So anyway, onwards, magnetic bag, as I was saying, a little bit distracted there, attaches anywhere. So again, look, benefits coming in now. So what's going on now? Social solution, here it is, magnetic bag. Then talks about, here's the benefits of the bag. And every single benefit is accompanied by a visual representation of that benefit in action, okay? Super, super smart. Magnetic bag that attaches anywhere. Use it as a magnetic tripod. So if you want to video yourself working out for whatever reason, some sort of Instagram / influencer thing, it does that too, okay? Use it as a magnetic tripod, blah, 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 shows the thing, okay? Really, really good format. I thought this was a great video of this. Here is the website. I think they did a really, really good job of this. What else I really like about this, if you go to their channel, and I hope you do, look, here's the comments. That's kind of sick. Can you show it on a machine that moves a lot? Okay, so now they're getting ideas for videos to do next, okay? And this is also, by the way, the FAQ being pre-written for him. Does this product work on machines that move a lot? Yes, it does. Here's a video that shows you that in action, okay? Very, very cool. And notice they're replying as well. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.